The member from York South-Weston.
Mr. Speaker, and before I begin, I would like to recognize Ivana Padovan and Denny Lopez from my constituency office that are here today. Thank you. And I rise in this House today to speak about community involvement in education. Our government has encouraged parents to take on active roles in the activities of schools through the Parents Reaching Out program. In my own riding of York South-Weston, 7 schools will receive funding for setting up local events designed to foster an open dialogue between parents and teachers in order to improve the overall educational experience of students. After all, schools are more than just buildings with desks and books. What makes a school a thriving educational institution is the community involvement that underpins a child's academic development. To name a few examples of how we are supporting parent-teacher engagement, St. John the Evangelist Separate School will conduct numeracy workshops to get students talking about the importance of math. Frank Oak Secondary School will stage an event titled Art Connect, where parents will learn how to get their youth involved in the visual and performing arts. And finally, Maple Leaf Public School will hold parenting workshops designed to offer advice to parents on how to generate an interest in at-home learning for their kids, among other things. Mr. Speaker, I very much look forward to working with the schools in my area to continue with the programs and ensure that the constructive dialogue between parents and teachers carries on. Thank you.